Hey guys, today I've got my Whirlpool French door 27 cubic foot refrigerator, and it's got the bottom freezer, it's got ice and water in the door. And real quick before I open it up and show you the temperature, I'm going to show you that everything here is working perfect. So let's see, we got the lights on, I've got it set to water, so we'll go ahead and bring in some water. Alright, we see the water thing works. It's kind of a dirty cup, but nice. Get your ice cubes, and then without spilling this, let's go to crushed. Excellent job. And I'm just making a mess. And then back over to water. So there you see that part works perfect. Now I'll grab my temperature gun and I'll show you that the temperature on the inside is right where it's supposed to be. Alright, now I've got my temperature gun. And right in between those two red dots, if you can see them there, it takes a surface temperature measurement, which is about, it's about 79, about 80 degrees Fahrenheit on the front of the fridge, and changes a little bit as I shine it on the ground there. So we'll go ahead and open it up, show you on the inside. I think I've got it set to 37 or 38. This gun here is fairly accurate. Go ahead and get a picture there, and the longer you leave the door fanned open, you can see it'll drop down a little bit, but keeping perfect temperature in the fridge compartment. Open this up down here. See, you've got the bottom drawer, and I've got some frozen water bottles in there too. See, it's nice and cold up in the freezer compartment too. I think I have it set at like -2 or -3, but we've got some frozen water bottles there, and of course you can see it's got the second ice maker there, and I've turned it on, and plenty of ice down here as well. So, and typically you'd want this here, and obviously I just figured out what this was for. It's to hold all the ice. Makes sense. Or you can put a little bucket down there too, but otherwise plenty of space, and even a pizza storage box spot right there. So go ahead and close that up. And now you know, temperature wise, water, ice in the door, all that stuff's working perfect. So that's kind of the purpose of this video. When I spend my money, I like to know everything's working good, especially if I'm driving a distance to get it or having it dropped off. Same kind of thing here. I like to show my items work before I even list them up for sale. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks, and have a great day.